replacing the headlight bulbs on a 2012 through 2018 or 19, whatever, Volkswagen Beetle. This is the same for the coupe or the convertible, regardless of engine. I'm actually replacing these bulbs in order to put in upgraded bulbs, these Ultra Plus 90s from Flosser. I've had good luck in other models, so I'm going to upgrade these as well. To replace the headlight bulb, you'll have to get the headlight assembly, the housing, out. There's a small Phillips head screwdriver, or screw, right here. Now the issue is that Phillips head is often stripped and it's not very strong. So what I have here instead is an 8mm socket, which is going to fit perfectly around the outside of that screw. Rotate it. Now the housing will slide right out. Once you get the housing out, this cover right here pops right out. Now you get the cover off. First thing you're going to do is remove the electrical connector. That way it's out of the way. Then you have these metal tangs. You want to push them down and then out, and they'll release from their little housing. Flip them out. There's your bulb. The headlights on this model are actually pretty good stock. They've got good kind of a Euro pattern to them with the two slashes, or the two kind of upward flares. But I'm going to upgrade to upgrade the bulbs themselves to this bulb. It's called an Ultra Plus 90 from a company called Flosser. And it's just going to give me a little bit better lumen output, and it's going to give me for the same wattage, and it's going to give me a different temperature color, which is a little more whiter than yellow. So it'll be brighter and look a little bit better. Same as reverse. Be sure you line up the tabs. There's only one way that bulb will fit in. Squeeze these down and around the tangs and reconnect your electrical connector. Don't forget the cover. Slide that back in place. Finally, take the securing tab, and you want to work that back into the hole so that the red mark is no longer visible and you're all the way towards the little lock signal there. Sorry for the blurriness. Anyway, thanks for watching the video.